Hello, welcome back to Deadly Effigy. I'm Luke Lagau, and this is why I paint. Mixing up some blue and some brown for gray. This painting was inspired by plague doctors. And it kind of just flowed. And when a painting flows like this is the reason. This is what we strive for as artists. When something pours out, something that's seemingly trying to escape from your mind. It's almost as though we just get lucky and we snatched it out of the air, and now it's here for us to show it to the world. This is a lot of fun in here, painting feathers and wires. Feathers, wires, and wrinkles. And then something terrifying happened. I can't believe I caught it on camera. Do you see this? What is this? Maybe it wants my blood. No, he says he's more interested in paint water. Just like that, it was gone. I don't know if I'll ever see him again, but something tells me he will probably bother me every morning and every night when he thinks he needs fed. So I have this raven skull. It's a 3D print. And it's not the greatest quality 3D print, but it's got the reference in there. And I thought, oh, let's do like a weird pterodactyl bird demon thing. Bird bat with a tail and whatnot sitting on top of his head. 'Cause why not? You know? Couldn't quite decide whether I wanted to leave it bone or put some leathery skin on it. But once I got my forms all kind of figured out and decided I was gonna have it kind of in a hazy, smoky atmosphere. I went ahead and decided it'd probably be best if he had some skin on him. And I'll get to that in a minute. Kind of obsessed with this right now. Just scratching in tiny hair highlights. It's not much, but if you do it in the right areas, it adds a whole nother depth. As long as you've gessoed your board, you should be able to do this. So let's get to that skin. Starting with kind of a basic brown color and some yellow. Just getting a little leathery, a little bit of red in there. And then of course I had to go the Jim Henson route here and put some teeth on that beak. There he is. A little bit more smoke. It's time to sign this one. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. This is really a lot of fun doing these videos every week. And like and subscribe. Share them with your friends. Comment if you have anything to say or questions. I'm happy to answer. And even comment what you'd like to see in the future. Here's the finished piece. Thanks again for watching, everybody.